the ultimate lead generation tool, customer appreciation tool, or just appreciation tool. This is the ultimate introduction to the good life. And wait till you hear what it does for you and it does for the person that gets the card. So when you give this card out, that person who received the card gets access to our special hotel booking site. Now here's the cool thing. When they book that price and they save money, you actually make money. Yeah, that's right. You actually make money.
So wait a minute. You're telling me that if somebody saves $50, I make money?
You make $25.
Wow.
Yep. So let's take a look at some of the examples here. So you look at the Boulder Station Hotel and Casino. You're going to see that lowest internet price of $130.12, and the Good Life savings is $49.91. Well, guess what? When they pay that price of $80.21 for that hotel room, you've just made $24.96. Now let's take a look at the Omni Dallas Hotel. That lowest internet price is $365.40. Well, we saved you $79.25, and you said you've just made $39.66. Start to get the picture, right? Well, let's take a look at a couple more. Here's the Villas of Grand Cypress, $369.70. We've saved them $93.91, and you've made $46.95. And it goes to the high-end hotels too. Here's the Peninsula of New York, $722 is the lowest internet price. You've saved $150 as a VIP club user, and you've made $75.30.
So you're basically saying that you're paying me to help me grow my business?
Exactly.
Wow.
So let's run the numbers on that now. Take a look at this. A $500 internet rate on a 3-day stay represents $300 in VIP club card rate. That's $200 in VIP savings. Well, there's even more. Because of that money, you can see $100 of that VIP savings was paid to the person that gave you that card. $100. But the person that brought that person into the business, they made $25 off that card. And on top of that, there's another $25 that gets paid out as CV.
Okay, so wait. You're saying that I give somebody this card for free, they use it, they save up to $200 on a hotel or resort of their choice anywhere in the world at ridiculous prices. I get paid $100 and my enroller gets paid $25 and you get CV?
That's right, that's right.
Wow. This has to be an industry first. I can't believe it.
There's never been anything ever like it.
Wow, so with each $200 VIP club card, I can potentially earn up to $100?
Yep, well, and think about it. 1,000 VIP club cards times $100 each, well, you can do the math. And then after savings, Jody helps turn the cardholder savings into distributor earnings. We've developed a number of videos that explain the whole process. Here, check one out.
Welcome, and congratulations on making the decision to learn more about how living the good life can literally change your life. You're here because you received a free VIP club card, a card that allows you to save up to $200 at hundreds of thousands of hotels and resorts worldwide. $200. Now that's a lot of money. To put it in perspective, that's a week's worth of groceries for a busy family, a dinner date with that someone special at your favorite upscale restaurant, or even 2 tickets and all the trimmings to see your favorite NFL team. You get the picture. It's a lot of money, right? Well, what if I told you that the person who gave you the VIP club card, the very same card that you just activated, is going to make $100 when you save $200? That's right, $100. Now I know what you're thinking. You're asking yourself right about now if I actually just said that the person who gave you a free VIP club card is making $100 when you save $200. Yep, that's exactly what I said. Curious? We thought you might be. In fact, you're probably scratching your head thinking, okay, how the heck does this work? Well, if you've got 2 minutes, just click the I'm Curious button below, and I'll tell you all about it.